Laya Flexible Tile Production Line Presentation. Include raw material precise weighing, batching and mixing system, intelligent production line, independent drying system, color printing and precise cutting section, etc. Showcasing the perfect fusion of technology and craftsmanship for the flexible tiles. Fully automatic powder weighing system. Automating feeding transports 5 powder to individual weighing hoppers, with high-precision sensors ensuring accuracy within ±1 gram, max speed 25 kilograms per minute. Batch powders are combined in a master hopper and conveyed via blower to the high-speed mixer, ensuring uniform blending. Fully automatic fiber filament weighing system. The fiber filaments are weighed and transported to the high-speed mixer to achieve fully automatic integration, and the weighing error is accurately controlled within ±1 gram. Automatic liquid weighing system. The required liquid additives are transported to the high-speed mixer through a liquid pump, and weighing error is accurately controlled within ±1 gram. Water emulsion and liquid additives 1, liquid additives 2. Automatic raw material weighing system. The 3 different powder raw materials, silica sand, mineral powder, stone powder, are weighed according to their required weight, and the weighing error is accurately controlled within ±10 grams, and then transported to the high-speed mixer weighing hopper through a screw. High-speed mixer. Stirring speed 800 RPM, variable frequency speed regulation. High-speed stirring to fully blend all kinds of raw materials. Low-speed mixer. Avoids color difference on each board and store more raw materials for immediate use. After drying, demolding begins. Loading on the platform with double shelf location, the pallet unloading machine adopts the servo drive system. Bring the pallets and molds one by one from the shelves. Demolding. Flexible tile vacuum stacking machine. Flexible tiles leave the molds and move on the product line. O-type flipping machine. Turn the product with the grain facing upwards. Automatic KUKA robot. Efficiently palletizing qualified products. AGV forklift. Moves the finished demolded products to the produce area. Cleaning by the spray gun. Spray the material. Network coverage. The servo-driven system accommodates nets of various sizes, e.g. 2 meters, 2.4 meters, 3 meters. Automatic brush the net. Embed the mesh deeper into the flexible material to enhance strength. Loading. Place the pallets and molds one by one on the shelves. AGV forklift transports the pallet to the steaming room for drying and dehumidification. CNC cutting machine. Precision trimming of product edges to ensure perfect size. Water circulation dust removal equipment absorbs debris at any time. Color printing technology. Both UV printing and inorganic ink printing available. Can print various exquisite coloring patterns. Laya offer complete solutions for flexible stone production, including equipment, molds, technical training, factory design, and finished flexible stone products.